Easily produce perfect firewood for those finicky customers. At the heart of the TW7 is the hardened steel box wedge, which controls the size of your product. 3 upright blades regulate the width of the firewood, while the horizontal blade controls the height. The unique top plate holds any remaining log section in an easy-to-reach position, allowing the operator to quickly reset and recycle the machine. This process is repeated until the log has been completely split. The TW7 produces uniform firewood every time and eliminates large pieces getting away from you prematurely. The result is firewood that is small enough to bundle or sell to persons who burn primarily in their fireplaces. The TW7 has a specialized beam fabricated from steel plate, which provides more surface area and more strength than a conventional H-beam. The extra-wide beam and push block help speed the splitting process by making wedge alignment much easier, since the log does not have to be precisely centered on the beam. The TW7 features a Honda 18-horsepower twin-cylinder overhead valve engine with both electric and pull start. The professional-grade 5-inch diameter cylinder has a massive 3.5-inch shaft, which provides both speed and strength. The TW7 comes standard with a traditional Timberwolf wedge in addition to the box wedge to allow for processing of logs with knots and twisted grain. The wedges are attached to the frame with grade 8 bolts and can be interchanged in about 15 minutes. Other features include a torsion suspension system, auto cycle valve, large baffled hydraulic and fuel tank,
Все, 100 распался. Никто никогда не забывает.